Hey guys, this is Meghana and I'm doing my second year MBA right now, and I am here to talk about Digital John Sir's digital marketing course. So 3 months back, I was just looking on, searching on Google and searching on YouTube for the best digital marketing institution. And luckily, I came across Digital John Sir's videos on YouTube where he explained every bit very clearly. And the moment I saw the videos, I just loved it, and I immediately messaged him, and he said me to call him back on his number. So I called him, and then I felt a very good connection with sir. It was a very good talking with him. It was very professionally spoken, and he explained me the basics very clearly. And at that moment when I spoke to him on the call, I decided that I have to take a digital marketing course from Digital John Sir only. So we started the course 3 months back, and he started with the very basics, that is explaining me about what is called marketing. So he spoke about marketing, he spoke about sales, and he taught me like very from basic level, and he taught me very practically. Every topic in digital marketing course was done simultaneously. He was doing the thing on, he was sharing the screen, and he was creating a website, and I was doing it simultaneously that time itself when he was doing. So it happened practically, and I never felt that I was learning something theory, because there are theory topics, but I never felt that it was like a theory subject, and everything was practically taught to me from by Digital John. So I loved that thing very, I should tell that I love that one most, because if I would have joined any other institution, they would have given me theory lectures, but here it's completely different and practical, so that you will learn, and you will not forget in your life when you do learn something practically. And I learned from basics, and I went on to Google Ads, and I went on to social media marketing, and he taught me about email marketing. And I started my own website. Now my website name is carousel.in, where I teach calligraphy to students of any age group. I am a calligraphist, and I teach handwriting also. So this way I was able to get a lot of students through, I started my own website. Through website I got a lot of students, and I started my own YouTube channel. There I got a lot of students, and I promoted my course on Instagram and Facebook, where I run Google ads and social media ads. And I started getting a lot of leads, lot of audiences. So all thanks to Digital John Sir. 3 months back, I didn't know what is digital marketing also, but I'm just enjoying now whenever I start my work, because of Digital John Sir's explanation and his motivation. He always motivates. If I get demotivated and feel like not doing any task which was given by sir, he calls me or messages me up saying, you can do. Like, he motivates me very well, and the very next moment I get up and I do my work, which was assigned by sir to me. And I used to take down notes, and I used to have two pens, that is black and blue. So whenever it's a very important topic, then I'll write it in red, that is red. And if it was a normal topics, then I used to write in black or blue pen. And so then I used to do practically, and I used to complete my tasks regularly, and he used to motivate me. And also, one best thing about sir is he's very patient. Even if you ask 100 times, he's ready to explain. Because someone like me, I am a average student, so it takes time for me to understand every single topic, because it is new to me. So I should be taught again and again, so that I will not forget. So he used to show me practically 2 times, 3 times, how much of a time I ask, and it was going very well. And yeah, he taught me how to create content, how to create amazing contents, and all of these. And he also conducted regularly, tests every weekend, so that I will not forget anything. And all of these happened, and I'm so happy now. I'm an entrepreneur because of sir. Right now I've started my own calistyle company, where I'm issuing certificates on the completion of um, course with me. When you complete course with me, the calligraphy course or handwriting course, I am giving certificates. That also I learned from Digital John sir only. There's a tool called Canva. It's a paid tool where I was given free the credential, that is the passport, was given to me by sir, and he gave for free, because he wanted me to see, uh, see as a big entrepreneur. He wanted me to achieve great heights, and he didn't want me to spend. So he himself gave it for free. There are few tools where it is necessary for you to promote your products, and to get leads. For all of these, you need few software tools which are paid, but he gives it for free. And I'm so thankful to you, sir, because if it was not free, I would have got a lot of expense, and I would have not continued my business maybe. So I created my own certificate. I created a lot of posters. He taught me how to create posters on Canva, and it was very useful for me. And he also taught me something which is not included in digital marketing course also, like video editing, Photoshop, all of these extra topics also were taught to me for free. So he taught me a lot of life lessons also. I learned a lot of things from sir, because he was told that he was a failure. Sir was told that he was failure by his friends and his teachers, but he never gave up. He fought, and he came up like a lion, I should say. So his explanation is very clear. He never gives up. So that is what I learned from him. We should never give up, whatever may come in life. So this is about me. This is the journey of mine. Now I'm very confident. Whatever job role I get in digital marketing career, I'm ready to take, and I'm sure that I will do it very successfully, and I will give my 100% in that role, because of the confidence which was given by sir, and because of his teaching, I'm able to understand and do it practically. So thank you so much, sir. And guys, trust me, you will thank me once you register the digital marketing course with sir. So he teaches both in Telugu language and English language. You can opt for anything. Yes, this is about me, and make sure you contact him and register for his classes soon. You will become a digital marketer soon, like me. And that's it about my journey, guys. Bye.